Good evening, everyone. My name is Dynamite_41, chilling in Big Dallas, Texas. Everything I say is not financial advice, so don't take it as such. Yo, check out the price action. Are we going to close above $18 for Friday? Who cares? I care. If we close above $18, that's pretty cool. If we close below $18, that's pretty cool. I'm still going to buy shares regardless of the fact because I still think we are at the bottom. In my personal opinion, I could be totally wrong. Naysayers will probably say I'm wrong. Jim Cramer will say I'm wrong. Michael Patrick will say I'm wrong. All these phonies that preyed on the downfall of GameStop, look at where we're at right now. We're up in the sky, baby. And you can't stop us from escalating above the $18 price point. And our fundamentals are telling us that we're doing a pretty good job. And big money is also buying in from what I hear and what I'm told. So I think we're doing a good job. We're making a whole lot of noise. And the fact that we go up 50+% in like a month. Actually, no, we went up like 60+% in a month. Not a peep from mainstream media. Nothing. No news, no nothing. Just nothing. But when Apple goes up 5%, it's all over the damn place. I'm just saying, make it make sense. Is there something that we're trying to hide? Is it because the power is really to the players and we got all the power because we buy and hold shares of a company that we truly support and buy from every single day? See, here's the problem that I have with some people. They deny everything about the company and what it does. We sell PC parts, video games, controllers, accessories, toys. We have our own stores online, not only physical presence, but online as well too. And then they're going to hit you with the argument of, well, you know, everything is going digital. Well, guess what? GameStop is also going digital. They sell digital games. I bought a couple digital games myself on a live stream a couple of days ago. So what is the new argument? The fact that the price action is down, if you look at it from the fucking 2-year chart, yeah, of course it's going to look like it's down. Not even by that much. I mean, compare the price charts of GameStop to AMC and MELN and look at the big differences. Those were pump and dumps. GameStop is a fundamental value company. And me, other investors like myself, and truly people that buy from the company, we just buy every day, whether it's from GameStop or from the stock market. And we only buy that stock. So for people to sit around here and say that no one's buying is quite laughable. And you've been living under a rock, clearly. But anyways, that's just my spiel for the day. I might go live today, might not. Who knows how I'm feeling. Regardless of the fact, it's always going to be power to the players. I just did a good-ass workout, and I'm about to get me some good-ass food right now. So we'll see after. Maybe we'll go live, maybe not. Regardless of the fact, I'm still here, still buying, still freaking holding strong and not going anywhere. Hope y'all feel the same way. Happy Friday, everyone. Peace.